Welcome to Section 4.2, Business License and EIN. What is a business license? So business licenses are permits issued by the government agencies that allow individuals or companies to conduct business within the government's geographical jurisdiction. Each city has a set of rules and regulations to obtain a business license, so visit your town hall to find out if your state requires a business license. For instance, in Florida, they do not require one, so I did not have to get a business license. Now let's focus on EIN, also known as the Employer Identification Number, also known as Federal Tax Identification Number, and is used to identify a business entity. This is basically how the government identifies you and your business. Basically, it's your business social security number. Even if you're not going to hire anyone, you still need an EIN. Let's talk about the difference between a sole proprietor and an LLC. A sole proprietor is when an individual owns a small business with 0 employees. It's just you and your small business. This generally doesn't cost much or nothing at all. You're solely responsible for all debts and liabilities of the business. So let's talk about LLC though. LLC, a limited liability corporation, has the tax advantages of a partnership and the liability protection of a corporation. It's a hybrid. The owner is protected from the debts and liabilities of the business compared to sole proprietors. It costs a bit to register and has an annual fee to remain in good standing. There's no right or wrong answer here. I feel sole proprietor is a bit easier to start with and then move over to an LLC once you're more established in your business. Please visit www.irs.gov or click on the link below to register for a sole proprietor or LLC, aka acquiring your EIN.